Steele Rubber Products manufactures rubber parts for the restoration of antique and collector cars, and they've been doing it since the mid-'60s. We currently have around 70 employees, and we use Syspro throughout our entire operation, from manufacturing, retail, wholesale, distribution. We're everywhere Syspro. Several of the Syspro modules are very important to us. We use the credit card processing module. We use EDI shipping. We also had a very custom-written shop floor labor collection system. And we also went from the heavy client-based CRM to the web CRM that you guys currently have now. And we were part of that initial process. We were one of the first sites to go live with it. So we've had that for over a year. We get a lot of customer requests for information, and what we do is we tie that information into our CRM. So right now they go to our website, fill out some information, hit a couple buttons, and that's all tied into the CRM. Syspro has allowed us to grow because what it does is it allows us one framework to work with all our systems and infrastructure and operations, so that our ERP talks to our CRM because they're the same company. Because Syspro is invested in making sure everything works together. They are a solution provider from beginning to end. While the ERP sits in the middle, everything that hooks to it is also part of Syspro, because from our shop floor labor collection and those systems that have to take place, to our fulfillment system, to our customer relationship, it's all Syspro and it's all tied together. If somebody's asking me if they should consider Syspro as an ERP solution, I would say if they're manufacturing a product, it's an extremely good fit, because of the breadth of the suite of the tools, and everything's designed to work together, but it's also designed for a lot of customization. There is enough extensibility in the product. If you can think it, you can do it, and there really is no limit.